The standalone desktop workstation is dead. For over a decade, professional creatives, software architects, and data scientists have been trapped in a toxic loop, buying massive, roaring desktop towers that turn studios into saunas, or settling for sleek, underpowered all-in-ones that choke the moment you throw a heavy workload at them. But sitting right here is a machine that completely shatters that compromise. This is the all-new Apple iMac Pro. This isn't a routine refresh, and it's definitely not your typical consumer desktop with a fancy name tag. Apple has taken the raw, unapologetic power of their most advanced enterprise silicon and fused it into an ultra-thin, silent, reference-grade display chassis. It is an engineering paradox, a machine that shouldn't logically be able to cool itself, let alone outperform dedicated PC workstations that draw 3 times the power. If you are rendering cinematic 3D environments, compiling massive enterprise codebases, or mastering multi-track spatial audio, the rules of the desktop have officially changed. The bottleneck is no longer your hardware. The bottleneck is how fast you can think. To understand why the iMac Pro is sending shockwaves through the tech industry, we have to look beneath the seamless aluminum housing. Apple has skipped incremental upgrades entirely, driving straight into an architecture that packs billions of transistors into a unified system on a chip. In traditional PC workstations, data is constantly bottlenecked. Your processor has to talk to your system memory, which then has to send data across a physical motherboard bus to a dedicated graphics card. That travel time creates latency, generates massive heat, and wastes precious energy. The iMac Pro eliminates this entire physical pipeline by placing the CPU, a massive workstation-class GPU, and an ultra-wide unified memory architecture on a single piece of silicon. Data moves at speeds that defy conventional PC engineering. We are talking about memory bandwidth so immense that the graphics processor can instantly access the entire system memory pool. If you've ever tried to load a massive machine learning model or an uncompressed 8K video timeline on a traditional setup, you know the exact moment the system stutters. On this machine, that stutter simply does not exist. But raw computational speed means nothing if a desktop system can't maintain its peak performance over long, punishing hours. Anyone who has ever run a complex render or a high-intensity simulation knows the dreaded reality of thermal throttling. The system heats up, the internal clocks drop to protect the hardware, and your estimated completion time doubles. With the iMac Pro, Apple had to solve an incredibly difficult thermal equation. How do you cool high-octane workstation silicon inside a display housing that is only millimeters thick? The answer lies in a completely reimagined dual-inlet thermal system. High-capacity vapor chambers cover the entire silicon footprint, pulling heat away instantly, while custom asymmetric blowers pull cool air from the base of the display and exhaust it silently out the back. Even under a continuous multi-hour maximum load, the fans operate at an acoustic level that is barely audible in a dead-silent room. You get absolute, uncompromised performance from the first minute of your workday to the last, without the constant, distracting drone of a PC tower spinning up like a jet engine on your desk. Let's talk about the visual centerpiece of this machine.